Situated on a private 1.88-acre lot, this beautifully maintained 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home offers the perfect blend of space, comfort, and convenience. Inside, you'll find hardwood floors throughout the main living areas, upgraded trim details, and an open-concept floor plan ideal for everyday living and entertaining. The great room features a cozy fireplace and flows seamlessly into the kitchen, complete with granite countertops, custom cabinetry, subway tile backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. The spacious main-level owner's suite offers a tray ceiling, room for a sitting area or office, and a well-appointed bath with dual vanities, a garden tub, and separate tiled shower. Upstairs are 3 additional bedrooms, all with walk-in closets, along with a large media room perfect for movie nights or game days. Outdoor living shines with a screened porch, deck, patio, and pergola-covered hot tub, creating the perfect setting to relax and unwind. A standout feature is the impressive 22 by 50 detached garage workshop with high ceilings, offering ample space for vehicles, hobbies, a boat, or RV storage. Conveniently located just minutes from Wire Park, about 15 minutes from the UGA Vet School, and 20 minutes from downtown Athens. This property is also zoned for the highly regarded Oconee County School District. Don't miss this rare opportunity to enjoy acreage, privacy, and exceptional storage in one of Northeast Georgia's most desirable locations.